Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall guide to insurance agency CRM app, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the guide to insurance agency CRM app, start by locating the app icon on mobile devices, press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select the option that says uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation by tapping OK or remove when prompted. For Windows users, click on the Start menu and go to Settings. Select Apps or Apps and Features. Scroll through the list to find the guide to insurance. Click on the app name to reveal the Uninstall option. Press Uninstall and confirm your decision. If you're using a Mac, open Finder and go to the Applications folder. Find the Guide to Insurance Agency CRM app in the Applications list. Drag the app icon to the trash bin. Alternatively, you can right-click on the app icon and select Move to Trash. After moving it to trash, make sure to empty. For users who installed the app using a web browser, go to the Browser's Settings or Extensions section. Locate the Guide to Insurance Agency CRM app from the list of installed extensions. Click on Remove or Uninstall next to the app. Ensure all data and related components are cleared by checking your device's storage or app settings. Once uninstallation is complete, restart your device to finalize the process. This will help ensure that any lingering files associated with the app are fully removed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.